Damn it, Ted. There ain't no birds anywhere.
Nah, you're right, Linda. I at least expected to see an eagle, though.
Yeah, is a friggin' eagle too much to ask for? I mean, show us a friggin' eagle.
Yeah, or at least a freaking a black and white warbler.
Can't a girl get a thrush? I mean, come on.
Whole world full of birds, and I can't see one single phylum, genus, or species.
Yeah, go figure, right?
Yeah, go figure.
Come on, birds!
Yeah, where you at?
Hey, birds, where you at? These binoculars were expensive!
Yeah, let us see your plumes!
Birds! 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 Hey, birds!
Birds! Birds! Birds!
Birds!
Birds! Birds!
Birds!
Birds! Birds! Birds!
Hey, birds!
Birds! Birds!
Hey, Teddy boy, I got an idea.
Oh yeah, Linda? Well, lay it on me. Because as an avatar bird watcher, I'm open to any suggestion as to how I can see some birds at this here time.
Why don't we try bird calling?
Bird calling? Well, that's a great idea, Linda!
Yeah, you see with bird calling, you make some sounds like a bird.
Yeah, okay.
And the birds think you're a bird.
Yep.
And then they come perch on your shoulder.
Yeah, Linda, I know what bird calling is.
Okay, so you do your impersonation of a magnificent frigate bird.
Okay, and you do your impersonation of an American golden plover.
Yeah, okay. Okay, on the count of three.
1,
2,
3!
Cuckoo, hey! Cuckoo, you bird! Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Cuckoo, you bird! Hey, cuckoo!
Hey, cuckoo, you birds! Hey, birds, we're also birds! Come let us watch you!
Yeah, let us watch you birds! And nothing.
Oh well, Linda. Hey, at least we're still best friends.
Hey, Teddy boy, you want to check out another Groupon.com deal?
Oh yeah! You know what? I got one in my American Online email inbox for transcendental meditation.